my first YouTube video, but in this video I am going to be doing a sleek high puff with like a little bang, a little sleek front bang. I don't really know how to describe it. Let's say I'm gonna do a sleek high puff with a bang, okay? A sleek bang, okay? This is my go-to hairstyle whenever I don't feel like sleeking my hair back or doing anything fancy with my hair. This is literally what I wear my hair like on a day-to-day basis. So if you would like to know how to do your hair the same, please continue to watch the video. Let's get into it. So the first things that I want to address is, well, the things that you're gonna need pretty much to do this style is Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice. Most black girls such as myself use Eco Styler. It's literally the best gel I have ever used in my whole entire life, and I will continue to use it. You're also going to want a spray bottle to spray your hair with water, because I like to drench my hair first before I slick it down, because it makes it more sleek than just applying gel to it. It also moisturizes your hair. The third thing that you're going to need is a brush, and you're also going to need a baby hair brush. I use just like a regular toothbrush, that's why it's all icky looking, but you can use, like, if you actually have a baby hair brush, then you can use that as well. Just any brush that assists you with slicking your edges down. And then the fourth thing that you're gonna need is a bunch of hair clips. I use hair clips to sleek my hair down in the front. Some people may not use them. Some people can use just bobby pins or whatnot, but I use hair clips. The thing that you're gonna need is one of these bad boys. It's like, you could honestly get like a stocking and then just like cut it up to make it like that. Or like an old pair of leggings. Like, that's like, if you have like a fishnet pair of leggings, you can use this for your hair. But basically you're just going to be using it to make your hair go up. But yeah, you also want to apply like a product to moisturize your hair. I like to use this Shea Moisture, coconut and hibiscus curling gel for thick curly hair. So I have thick curly hair, so it works perfect. Let's go ahead and get into it. So if you guys see me looking over here a lot, it's because I have my mirror right here. So I'm actually going to be looking at myself in the mirror while I do my hair, but you guys get the point, okay? So I'm pretty much just going to be spraying my hair down with water. Okay, and then once I get that done, what I like to do is go ahead and apply that curly cream to it to moisturize it and get it all curlied up and moisturized together, and then just put it all through your hair. Okay, so once I have moisturized my hair and it looks good, I'm going to go ahead and get my Eco Styler and my brush. So you're gonna take your Eco Styler gel and you're pretty much just gonna start. I already had like a little part. It's kind of messed up, but it's whatever. Part doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's sleek in the front. That's all that matters. I'm gonna be washing my hair either tonight or tomorrow anyway, and I think I'm gonna be making a separate video about my hair routine, my wash day routine pretty much. Okay, and then you're gonna pretty much just start brushing it. See how it's already sleek and I haven't even put no clips on it? Bomb, right? That's why we apply the water. And then you can even swoop it a little bit if you want, but I just go like that. It depends on how I feel. Like, if I want to swoop it a little bit, I can, or you could just do like that and then just swoop your edge. It's really cute. Okay, and then once I'm done doing that, oh wait, hold on. Oh, is that my dog's hair? My dog's hair. Y'all see that? The struggle of having a white dog. Okay, so once I get done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of my clips. I do have short hair, because I have a lot of shrinkage, but basically I'll just start putting some clips in to lay it down a little bit. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same exact thing for the other side, and then go ahead and do the Eco Styler. Ooh. And then just start sleeking this side down as well. Okay. And then you just want to make sure that your clips are like aligned, not that they're like all over each other. Okay. Now, one of the last parts is just bring it back there because that's where you're gonna be pulling it up with the little string I showed you guys. Okay. All right. And now what I like to do is I like to wear my side curls. Like, you guys see that? I like to wear little side curls. So usually what I'll do is I'll just kind of reserve them on the side before I put the rest of my hair up. So that's that. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to put my thing around my ears, like at the top of my ears. And then you're just gonna tie it above your sleekness, of course, your sleek bang, of course. And then put it together and then just start pulling it up. Now this is what I do. So I start pulling it up more. And then you'll just keep pulling it up until you get your desired look. Sometimes I want to do a big puff. Sometimes I want to do a smaller puff. So I'll just pretty much stop when I feel like it. Okay, then you're just going to tighten it. And then you're just gonna, what I do is I usually just tuck it under really good. So now, you can use a pick for this, but what I usually do is I just use my hands to kind of pick out the puff. And then, what I'm gonna do now is the curls that I told you guys about. What I usually do is I'll get some Eco Styler and then just start applying it. And you see how it's all curly? And then just do it to the other side. Now, both sides are not going to be perfect every time, so just remember that. Also, too, if you have shrinkage like me, one side can be longer than the other. See, like today, it's actually wanting to act right, but usually one side is like shorter than the other. Okay. The best part is sleeking your edges, ladies. We got to sleek them edges. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and sleek these babies. And just, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So you pretty much just go like that. And then just go like that. See that? And then you just do it on both sides. Okay. You just, ooh. Okay. I'm gonna do it in the mirror because it's a little bit better. Okay, and then just going in and doing this one again. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I am going to go get my satin scarf to lay it down for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna apply my lipstick. So basically what I like to do is I like to get my satin scarf. And if you're wondering why it has to be a satin scarf, it's because it does save the moisture versus just a regular bandana kind of scarf. It kind of sucks the moisture out of your hair. So with the satin scarf, it actually locks it in, but it keeps that moisture. So I usually just do this for about 5 minutes or so, like especially on a daily basis when I am getting ready for work. I like to just lay it down a little bit. That way when I take it off, it's all like laid down. So I don't have to worry about like any flyaways that much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lipstick.
This is what I do pretty much when my hair is about to
Okay. And I am all set. Now let's go ahead and take it off. And let me show you guys how sleek it is. Woo! Girl! Look at them side curls. Y'all can't tell me nothing. This is my go-to hairstyle, y'all. Like, oh my God. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it so far, please continue to watch my videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't feel hesitant to comment down below what content you guys want to see from me, like more videos, like if you guys want like a morning routine or just anything, you know what I mean. My channel is primarily, at least I am gonna primarily focus it on story times, because I have so many juicy, funny, hot tea stories for you guys. Story times, tutorials, DIYs, and like girl talk kind of stuff. So I am gonna try to focus on those niches. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this video once again, and have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.